Want to settle in New Zealand permanently? Here are the 5 easiest pathways to make it a reality. New Zealand welcomes newcomers, known for its clear and accessible residency pathways. It's a top choice for those seeking a fresh start. First pathway, the skilled migrant category. This route is for qualified workers with relevant skills needed in New Zealand. Applicants are assessed on a points system, considering your qualifications, age, experience, and English ability. Second pathway, green list occupations. This option targets professionals in high-demand fields like healthcare and IT. A job offer in a green list occupation makes you eligible for a streamlined and faster residency process. Third option, work to residence. Start by working for an accredited employer, then transition to PR after 2 years. You'll need a job with an accredited employer, steady work, and to meet character and health requirements. Fourth pathway, post-study work visa. Graduates from New Zealand institutions can work and gain experience here. Work experience gained from the post-study visa can lead to skilled jobs, opening a pathway to permanent residency. Last easy route, family sponsorship. Citizens or residents can sponsor close family members to join them in New Zealand. This pathway requires the sponsor to meet income and support criteria, helping loved ones unite and settle together. Each route has unique benefits. Choose one that suits your background and take the first step toward a new chapter. Start early. Planning now for 2026 can give you the best chance for a successful permanent residency journey. Is New Zealand your next chapter? Your dream destination could be closer than you think.